Hello, I'm Rashmi Kotharkar. Today we are seeing the Cinderella story. The once upon a time, a girl named as a Cinderella lived with the stepmother and the two stepsisters. So the poor Cinderella had to work hard all the day long, all the day. Long, so the others couldn't rest. It was she had to wake up each morning when it was still dark and cold to start the fire. It was she who cooked the meals. It was she who kept the fire going. The poor girl could not stay the clean from all the ash and cinders by the fires. So the what's the mess? Her two stepsisters laugh, and that is why they called her Cinderella. One day, the big news came to town. The king and queen were going to have a ball. It was time for a prince to find a bride. All the young ladies in the land were invited to come, and they were filled with joy. They would wear their most beautiful gowns and fix their hair extra nice, and maybe the princess would like them. At the Cinderella's house, she now had extra work to do. She had to make two brand new gowns from her stepsister. Faster, she one step sister, and you call that a dress, and screamed the others. Oh dear, said Cinderella. When can I? The stepmothers marched into the room. When can you what? And well, said the girls. When will I have time to make my own gown, own dress for the ball? You yelled the stepmothers who said you were going to the ball, and what the laugh said one stepsister. Such a mess, they pointed at a Cinderella. All of them laughed, and the Cinderella said to herself, "They look at me. Maybe they see a mess, but I'm not that way. And if I could, I would go to the ball." And soon the times came for the stepmothers and stepsister to leave the big party. So there is a fine. So their fine carriage come to the door. Stepmothers and stepsister hopped inside, and they were off. Goodbye, called Cinderella. Have a good time. But the stepmothers and stepsister were come turns around to see her. Me, said Cinderella sadly. The carriage rode down the sisters, and she said aloud, "I wish I could go to the ball too." Then prove. All of sudden in the front of her was fairy. "You called," said the fairy. "Did I?" said Cinderella. "Who are you?" "Then why you fairy godmothers of course. I know you wish. I have come to grant it. But Cinderella said, my wish is impossible. Excuse me, said the fairy godmother in the hub, in a hub. And did I not just yes, you did, said Cinderella. Then let me be the one of to say what is possible or not. Well, I think I want to go to the ball too. She looked down at her dirty clothes. But look at me. Do you look a bit of memes? Memes, child said the fairy. So this all about the Cinderella story. Thank you so much.